Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do a quick video on the new release of the No Nonsense Forex Trade Assistant version 8.1, which basically adds a couple of new small features on there, mainly the trailing stop start function, which allows you to set the distance between your entry price and the price that your trailing stops actually start. Now, if you follow the No Nonsense Forex method, that is 2 times the ATR. So basically at 2 times ATR, the trailing stop is going to kick in and it'll trail then at 1.5 times the ATR. So that's the No Nonsense Forex numbers, but you can change it to whatever you want. So I'll give you a quick demo. So let me just jump off. So I've got a couple of lines here which will represent, when I load it, this will be the 2x ATR from our entry price, and this is the 4x ATR from our entry price. I've basically cherry picked this just to show you the difference in the settings. So if I sell here, we advance on. So this one here, our ATR is 65. So if we have a look, calculations I made, 2 times ATR is 130 and 4 times ATR is 260. So if we measure these, we're going to have, here is about 130, pretty close, and then here is about 260. So in the demonstration, this one should be set at 2 times ATR. So let's step through and we'll count and see. So basically it needs to close beyond this line before the trailing stop kicks in. So now it's kicked in. So it didn't start before this line. So before we just had it kicking in about 1.5, and it was fine, but had people complaining, oh, it's should be following the No Nonsense Forex method. So we'll stop this and we will do it again. We'll have a quick look. So here we're going to change this to 4 times ATR, and we're going to demonstrate it again to show you that the trailing stop doesn't kick in till a little bit later. So we'll get to our selling price. So here now, price has got to get all the way down to here before the trailing stop gets pulled in and activates. So the break even will still kick in here at 1 times ATR, and we've got to let it run down. You can see the trailing stop hasn't moved yet, haven't closed past this 4 times ATR. Bang, now we have, and boom, all of a sudden stop loss is modified and pulled in. So it's just we're not going to use 4 times ATR. It's just an example of how you could use it, and there we go. One of the other features we got in here, if we have a look, is this push notification. So what that does, if you enable that, it allows you to, or it allows your MT4 platform to send you push notifications via the notifications setting here. You have to sync it up with your MetaQuotes ID from your device, so you guys can go through all of that. There's some instructions on the website on how to do that, but that lets you do that. So if you've just got it running, say on a VPS, and then your No Nonsense Forex Trade Assistant kicks in, a trailing stop, and then it exits out, it's going to send a notification to your device and tell you, hey, we've exited our trades. So it just gives you a little bit of a heads up to know that something's going on. So if we go back here, have a look in our support page. We'll come down, it'll tell you here, how do I set up push notifications? Basically, the best place, I looked around for a heap of info, is literally the MetaTrader 4 page. If we go and have a look at it, it just tells you step by step how to do it. Easier than me reinventing the wheel and typing it all out again. So this version of the No Nonsense Forex Trade Assistant is now ready to download. You can see it here. It is the beta form, which will last for a couple of weeks, and then basically after that, if I don't have any bug reports or any issues with it, we'll roll that over to the final. But for now, it's still beta. And that's it. So that is all I've got for you today. Hopefully this helps you guys out, and if you have any other comments or feedback, please feel free to let me know. Use the form on the website is the easiest thing, and I will catch you all later. Cheers.